Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got this half leather interior with red GT line stitching. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. The car's done just over 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.